Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make boba tea. Start by boiling tapioca pearls until tender, then soak in simple syrup for sweetness. Brew strong black or green tea and chill it. Mix tea with milk or creamer and sweetener to taste. Add cooked pearls to a glass, pour the tea mixture over ice, and stir. Serve with a wide straw and enjoy a perfectly balanced, chewy boba drink. Boil tapioca pearls in a large pot with lots of water until they float and soften fully. Reduce heat and simmer for the package recommended time to achieve a chewy center. Rinse briefly, then transfer pearls into warm simple syrup so they absorb sweetness and stay tender. Let them sit while you prepare the tea base, then scoop pearls into glasses shortly before serving so they remain pleasantly springy and flavorful. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: I love leak-proof containers for storing syrups, brewed tea, or extra pearls without spills when you're on the go. They save mess and keep flavors sealed, which is great if you make batches ahead. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Grab a set if you want convenience, and now let's get back to the video. Brew a strong tea base using black, oolong, or green tea and cool it rapidly for iced boba. Sweeten with simple syrup or honey so the sweetness blends evenly with cold liquid. Use milk, oat milk, or creamer to create a creamy texture and adjust sweetness to taste. Combine tea and milk in a shaker or jar with ice and shake until chilled. Pour over pearls and enjoy a balanced, refreshing boba tea every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.